asalaamaaleykum Gambia ñu gën a nuyu di leen jaajëfal di leen wax ne xoolal mu ci toogee seen boy bi la seen raka xam nga hotship bi lañ toog suñ na top 5 rek xam nga ñu ngi wax lu bëri ñu ngi laal fu suri soo moo tax ma joxantuma tur rek dan after bi ñu xuutal nag experience de des seen boy la Abdoulaye Njie Balde ñu gën ko xamee si Njie Balde maa ngi fi ak kan brother.
Yeah, I want to say a big salam to each and everybody watching right now. It's your favorite boy, Toship, Mr. Watson, Gambian next upcoming rising star, man from SK East. I want to say a big salam to each and everybody watching right now.
Yeah, salam to each and everybody watching how I'm working. So whatever it is, you start with, to begin with. We want you to tell us about yourself, come sa childhood life.
Yeah.
And go and experience.
Yeah, just as normal as it is. Man, I'm just that normal xale bu góor juddoo fi yaroo fi, you understand. I just don't have like a whole different lifestyle from each and everyone, but I think I have a similar lifestyle to most of the Gambian population, you understand. As normal as it is, juddoo fi ni xam nga def suma childhood diggante Talinding Bundung Latrikunda. From that xam nga judo si family boo xam ne they all about academics, never family boo xam ne we are into something else or some extracurricular activities different from academics. More of what we do, like man suma magi even so they demolo school dara nga dem. So everything about me and the family that I come from is a well respected background. ñoo xam ne comme nekkul ne dañ ñooy gis because of ñaaka and whatsoever nga xeeb ñu ñaakuñ dara tamit waaye comme amuñ yep, you understand?
Okay.
So everything about me or where I come from is just as ordinary as normal Gambian growing and Komkohamne, he's doing everything in the Gambia. So everything about me is just as ordinary because so whole like normal school in Laden, government schools in that privatized school or whatsoever.
Okay.
So the challenges that I face growing up is as ordinary as everyone. Comme suma waree explain it out from 1 to 100 family ku nekk da take this bopam, but then each and everybody watching right now, that normal lifestyle bu every Gambian that normal life bu every Gambian live xam nga juddu param fo yeyi mag daaxee la fi de dem daara nangam sangam demal school, so stuff like that mooy the only normal stuff bu ma doon def as a child, because everything bu ma doon def lu ma doon def as a child, like everything is about academics and some extracurricular activities yoo xam ne dañ ko dee def. So basically I can say I don't have that much of a difference with everyone growing up in the Gambia when it comes to that above average level, but everything that I have like come similar to every Gambian is okay when we have that normal average or under average come Gambian standard of living num demel. So basically mun naa wax ne noonu laa dundee daal as a child.
Okay.
I was brought up ordinary.
He said that is how the same thing how you were grown up, and the same thing applies to me as well. So moving forward and to talk about your childhood life, you understand? We want to know kan moo la yar ak yow naka lañ la yaree.
Yeah. Yarin nag it's always diverse because okay képp ku nekk ku la yar am na kooku fuñ ko yaree. fu di ak keneen ku ko yar ak kooku fuñ ko yaree.
That's the difference.
Wow. So that's the difference we face. Okay, there comes a time boo xam ne ñaari nit mun ngeen a bokka yéen ñaar ñu leen yar ñu bokka jiko. You understand? Then yéen ñaar ngeen bokka jiko boobu noonu. But then mun ngeen a yaroo foo xam ne si different backgrounds yoo xam ne comme bokkuñ jiko, then da ngeen a am that difference in diversity of nuñ leen yaree. Okay, man yari ni double parent la am. Nekkut a single parent yarin koo xam ne okay mère bi rek moo fa present. Okay wala paa bi present because at the end of the day most of the time am na mère yoo xam ne ñu ngi am taxawaay góor ak jigéen. mooy jigéen yoo xam ne ñu ngi nekk understand jigéen ñi jàmbaar yaa understand. Okay most of the time ñooñu noonu su fekkee ne yow okay you fall to that category even though there is not that masculinity in bringing you up, even though that feminine character mu foofu noonu, but then you have a strong woman koo xam ne she is doing all she can to put both the masculine and the feminine good qualities in you, understand? So man, I fall into the trap boo xam ne comme both were present. So fatherly yarin bi mu foofu noonu like 100%, and the motherly yarin bi tamit mu foofu noonu 100%. So basically I have all those qualities from a good mom and I have all those qualities from a good dad. So yarin bi mun naa wax ne okay at the end of the day what really matters is the end product because mun ngaa jógee ko si family boo xam ne all they do is to bring you up right but at the end of the day yow ak jikko yoo xam ne you inherited or you admit those jikkos outside yooyu ñu ñëw ñu dominate di jikko yoo xam ne ñooñu noonu sa parents yi yooyu lañ input si yow but then alhamdulillah it's not about prioritizing some things but it's about me becoming the person that I want to be or me reflecting on the person that my people are looking up to me to become, you understand? So those that loolu moo nekkoon loo xam ne it was very crucial pour man ma put up that extra advantage or that extra milestone to move into the direction boo xam ne papa yaay ak mag ak raka ñu ngi look up to yow chasing those dreams or you pushing forward to those directives, you understand? So man mun naa wax ne okay Mary Daddy they def nañ seen kéemtalaay kattan seen taxawaay seen mun pour gis ne okay suñ doom bi nii bugga nañ mu am the best that he wants to have. Okay, at the end of the day man tam I was putting in extra work just to prove to them that okay yéen loo leen bugga ma nekka okay wala si jumtuwaay boo leen bugga ma dem jublu man insha Allah dinaa def suma kéemtalaay kattan ba àgg si levels yooyu noonu that is where academics come in. Okay, maa doon dem school high school and everything then those time moments like that come academics was their priority. So in order for me to just have everything in hand for them, in order for me to just put everything, proof to everything that they want me to become, I don't try by all means not to switch up on my academics or not to defer anything like or deviate myself from the academics. At that point in time, the academics was the only priority.
Okay.
So the try but them from 1 to 12 complete ko comme xam nga maa ngi def ko si xam nga di nu mu war a nekkee you understand then from there I move on to the UTG. I was pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer science. Then okay I was going on with that first year second year then I have to just defer because my mindset and my focus was deviating into something else. I remember okay I'm feeling a new sensation but into me
a new person.
You understand? And the moment I start to realize I have to take a deferral from the UTG and focus on the person that I am becoming. You understand? Because my feel on everything that was necessary for me to do I have already did that. You understand? So okay the only thing that was left is me admiring or me inspiring the person that I'm about to become. Okay. I want to put maximum of my focus into that. So that's where music come in. I understand. Then I have to just focus on the music and do whatsoever I was supposed to do just to become a better person day by day with regards to music.
Good. Now we're moving to the third question. That is him facing the world. You understand? Him being doing what he wants to do. So before going further, we want to have him. I'm going to blast me with something. Join you some acapellas. Then after you do the break,
yeah. Innocent yaa ngi jail felo ya tenta boy amuñ ku leen beel system yi dëkk ba ñu fail voice of the voiceless we are not for sale ñëwuma to criticize lii du politics dëgg bi ñu emphasize corruption ñu minimize business kat yu mag yi ñoo fi daha overprice sàccakat bu toog si office bi lu réer seen kër ñu ne boy junction bi xam nga borom ko si muna sàcca ay mil di fi réer ñu ne kenn du si waa hey dangeen foog ne yegguñ ko ay docteur yu fi yore pharmacie taxawuñ si baati askan bi ministre bu feebar dem faju oversea jarut ñuy xaajale yow foo jóge ban xeet nga doon nañu boole nekk benn liggéey suñ Gambia ñu ne kenn du saaga sa njiit no yàlla ko tànn si ñun man mi sa doom maa ngi lay ñaan yokkal di dooleel askan bi
borom doole yokkal di dooleel askan bi ñu dokk ko fa ñu dem suñu dellu see mu ngeen fii welcome back like he said mu ngi doon dénk borom doole ñu la day yaa ngi doon déggalum doole ju ñu doon na borom xela top step lu mu doon wax leer lu was loud and clear ba tax na top step ñu move on to the third question, to the top 3, which is what moved you to where you are, like this passion that you have in this music. Because in your words, you said you were at the university, so you had an ample defer, then you go for your passion.
Yeah.
So when you hold, who amongst the artists were inspiring you, and then got on horse ba nga taxaw tey nga mun a dem.
Yeah, question be important at all. Inspiration comes in a whole lot of ways, you understand? Okay, as an artist, your first inspiration is what gives you the motive of becoming what you want to become, you understand?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, me especially, growing up, there were a lot of inspirations, you understand? But one of the main inspiration that I look up to as an artist, like no other person but our very own legend, you understand, ST, the Gambian Dream, you understand? He inspires me in so many ways, you understand? Because with all his achievements, every artist wanna look up onto his steps, you understand? Because okay, lyrically, I'm time okay, luck, they dominate talent.
Sure.
I'm time talent that they dominate luck. Okay. When it comes to that person, talent and luck are all the dominant characters in him becoming what he becomes. Then that person is no longer a supposition to anything, but he is a revolutionary to everything. Because okay, anything, you as a Gambian artist, whether you personally admit him as your inspiration or you don't admit him as your inspiration, but okay, whatsoever step you take, people are looking up to you as an inspiration from him. You understand? Because okay, how many days so we Texas so professor some certain venues, but then okay, you are that upcoming artist. People will be then they have reference. Most of them are reference. You understand? Okay, so most of this time, you know. The people will be like, okay, no, so try like they have come do. Yeah, I understand. Okay, the lady when they so try they have come underground artists nangam bo xamne fess along with Pukusa. But they let okay, so try like they have come ST come Kenan Kenan, you understand? So okay, this respect or this inspiration from the over vital, over necessary, it is very influential for the Gambians to give back that respect, you understand, to him. Because the only way okay, for you you lan fin la tek ak lan lañ la def. Because tey ku jëloon 100,000 day rek, sorry for that word, but ku jëloon 100,000 day fii nii teg ko yow tam ok nga dem jëlaat beneen 100,000 day defar ko peinture ko def yëpp comme ok def ko mu am all those qualities of attracting people. But at the end of the day, ñaari yëpp mu ngi nekk 100,000 day. But then boo xam ne ñu ko bàyyi xam nga buñ defar du dee nekk benn. So okay, the best way pour nit yi ñu téye Gambian music industry as a whole empire that is about to blow, that is about to strike into the outside world, is we the Gambians seeing the artists, and we the Gambian artists seeing the legends as people ñoo xam ne ni ok we are looking up to yeneen countries yi ak yeneen artistes yu jógee feneen nuñ leen dee bët yuñ leen dee xoolee bunti seen bët yooyu noonu lañ war di door di xoolee comme suñ bos artistes yi ok suñ staré di xoolee suñ artistes yi bët yooyu noonu ñun artistes yi ak general public bi sax da nga gis ne ok these artists will have a bigger people da yoo xam ne ñu ngi leen a watch out and a bigger platform yoo xam ne ñu ngi leen a put to those respective positions yoo xam ne ñu ngi ko deserve, you understand. And me being a revolutionary artist, like I said earlier, it will not be fair for me to put myself first, you understand, with regards to music. Because it's a whole village, it's a whole community, it's a whole clan, you understand. But at the end of the day, we have people that are leading. Because, Adama, you have to clap for people when they are shining. So that when it's your time to shine, people will clap for you. Okay, so it will be very selfish of me putting myself in a position where
you are not yet there.
I'm not yet there. Even though I'm portraying myself, I'm seeing myself to become that position or that figure. Okay, but I'm yet to become.
Okay. Inshallah, you will be there.
Inshallah. So, we need to give them
that maximum respect.
We need to give them that maximum respect. Expose comme ñu won leen one adna mi ne okay lii la that's the only way like everything will move smoothly, and that's the only way everything will move forward.
Sure.
So one of my biggest inspiration is no other person but ST, our very own ST, not a certain place comes in very own ST, but the Gambia's
own ST.
very own ST. Shout out to you wherever you are, brother. You are my biggest inspiration.
Yang ko diga ST, yang ko diga. No, to be honest, ST is one of these persons that moment hebul darab. Hebul ST that they gis hebul dona. Mu respect ko bangarus. Yeah, that is ST himself.
Yeah.
So shout out to you, brother. And then talking about the female version as well. Yo, who among the female artists? Ngade hall ngade yes, I left me.
Yeah, basically, like all of them are doing extremely well.
Okay.
Because when it comes to Jigen, lot of question, I will not go direct. Because Jigen in a nature form, then they can then over fear. You understand?
Sure.
Okay, si ay gur nga de muna taxaw nga pick point comme gur nga xool si ay gur ne okay diw sangam xam of my ni he's extremely my inspiration or he's experiencing that. But okay, suñ ñëwee sa jigéen yi the moment comme tëb naa rek ma ne jigéen nangam comme mooy suma
di nga jigéen nangam nag
you understand?
Yeah, di nga jigéen nangam de jigéen nangam boobu.
But all I can give to the best of my knowledge and to the best of my ability in order not to create a diverge from the question. Okay, I want to say like each and every Gambian female artist for you are doing extremely well. And the industry, you understand? And the industry is seeing you as that that female figure she is doing like extremely well. I want to say a big shout out to you, and you all are my source of inspiration. And you all are my source of like entertainment, and you all are my source of like education when it comes to that morality of music. So I want to say like everyone you're pushing some music. It's not all about yengal ndiga nangam sangam, and you are trying by all means. But then you are trying by all means to put community interest first. You understand? Try to entertain, try to educate, try to like innovate and inspire the younger generation. I want to say a big shout out to you because man, everything that matters to me right now, as I said, is not only about entertaining the general public, but I want to use my craft as an artist. I want to be a source of inspiration to the younger generation, because the only way to change the future is to focus on the younger generation today. Because the adult generation are already there, and those are the generation of today. And we are thinking about the future, and those people are not the future. You understand? The younger generation are the future. So the best way to make change is to try and inspire and let the younger generation know that music is not all about entertaining, but it's all about educating. Because nit ku nekk daf day am fu mu dee amee xam nga fu ma waxee ni dégg na you understand. Okay, man su fekkee ne man oustaz bi moo dee mën a wax loo xam ne I have to absorb it. Okay, it's the duty of oustaz bi pour mu joxe ay kaddu ak kàllaama yoo xam ne nii dafa baax, and it will tally with the society.
Fekk du ko gaañ.
Exactly. And su fekkee ne yow as an artist comme there are these people that listen to music in order to information or to change in some certain things that they are doing. Then it's a duty of you as an artist not only to entertain but to educate and let the people know that me as an artist, I want to use my craft in order for you to reflect on society and for you to reflect on some of the negative and positive impact that society absorbs. You understand? So man, as an artist, my craft is all about positivity right now. Even though once upon a time I was more into letting the people party or letting the people know that ni acne. Like my first hit song that everybody knows me with was not the hit song that I want people to know me with. You understand? Even though no jam ak pehem wa no dey dogal some certain things. Okay, maybe no la dogalé comme fii la moo doore. It was no other song tey rus naa pour wax ko on TV or whatsoever. Mooy comme napil si daw, you understand? Which everybody knows me with. And even though tey dama dey mën a tase ak xale yi ndey boy naka la gaaw be, which I don't want come. So fekkoon ne démba nekkoon na tey, I would have that's the biggest change that I want to make. So fekkoon ne démba tey la, you understand? But then I have no power. It's nothing into my ability to be able to make a change to that, you understand? It has already happened, but I want to let the population and the listeners and the bigger audience, the audience from Gambia to the diaspora, I want to let everybody knows that, that was my past, but the future have a lot to say. And the future has a lot to say, and it is nothing other than entertaining in a particular way and educating in a general way.
Yeah, but sometimes people misconcept about certain things because musicians sometimes they wish quote.
Yeah.
It depends on you, the individual, how you interpret things.
Yeah.
To me, I don't know because when I accept you, but na pills Lulu was not not pills.
Good.
Basically, it wasn't that.
Good.
Because so So these are quotes that people should understand. They criticize artists, be weekend, while criticize media, be weekend, not knowing what the person is saying.
Yeah.
That is why it's important all the time. You the musician don't give up. Use your platforms. Anytime you release a song, talk about the song. Talk about so that people will understand.
Yeah.
But to me, there was a day that I was in a house. Man ma dega ko mo ngi deglu way am te man way am mun ma ci dara. So man ko yow lan kay deglu fi anga. So man yow deglu li mo explain. You understand? So si la ma don take experience si yum don wax bata foire ya be something muy wax mom jaar mu ci gis bopam. So xam nga these are messages that people should know. You understand? Ba pare tam yang don daw suma lifin legi bëgg na nga wax ma top 5 female artists ñoo xamanteni you believe ne ñu ko def.
comme xam nga lu fa demee comme ni ma la ko waxee woon rek
seen fiiraange bi
ok comme jigéen dafa fiir to that extent boo xam ne yàlla moo ko def si gaal because at the end of the day fu gën a wig si góor foo xam ne all the time ok mun naa one of the places yoo xam ne muy gën a wig si góor foo xam ne fu saa yi la fa téye rek nga am yenn yëg-yëg yoo xam ne daf dee nekk yëg-yëg yu garaaw mooy si faari góor yi understand foofu la jigéen jógee so fiiraange bi mu ngi nekk si gaal loo xam ne anytime su fekkee ne jigéen moo toog mu ne ok jigéen nangam suma beste la ou suma favorite la du dee nekk problème de but the moment góor mu ne jigéen nangam mooy suma nii ok mooy suma nii rek da ngay gis ne yeneen jigéen yi door nañ léegi because ñoom neen seen biir da ngay gis ok kii mooy beste kii mooy beste ba du dee nekk problème ok but the moment góor pick na kenn or a certain amount ne ok lii mooy suma nii rek then problem ñu na but then from all of them from our Gambia to Miss Jobis and everybody star girl ñoom ñëpp xam nga maa ngi nii yeah comme su ma bëggee lim rek damaa juum non jara fa sa joxe ma tëri ka dama nekk di wax different turi rek but to all of them I want to say a big shout out ñu ngi def extremely well they are doing to the best of their ability in order to put food on the table which matters a lot
indeed
okay so we can all be preaching or doing some certain things, but they are also doing to the best of their ability in order to deviate themselves from the like yeneen jigéen yi ni ñoo def because am na jigéen yi ni ñu nekk di def pour am and ñoom ñu ngi def lu xaw a tane wala lu xaw a rafet pour am because mënoon nañoo ñaaxaa nekk di def musique di joxe seen bopp aw def whatsoever but the very time boo xam ne putting themselves into a position of not being an observer but an entrepreneur into music, then I want to say a big shout out to them because they're putting food on the table and they're doing all it takes to put themselves in the bigger picture.
Wow, shout out to all female artists. We're talking about everybody in general. But the other one that I want to ask you is about like Sahul Dunda with music, education or something. Have you get to a point whereby whenever you think about it, it hurts you, challenges you, you really face them, it disturbs your music career or your education as well?
Yeah, okay. One of the biggest challenges that we have growing up in the Gambia is all about poverty, you understand?
Okay.
Because this is a battle war. If you are against it, they make a warfare for you.
Okay.
I understand because poverty is one of the biggest things. They do ñaaka na dara or do am na certain métit ñaaka moo ko tax am certain métit certain góom yoo xam ne understand nga saa yoo ko xelaatee daf dee mel ni góom bi is bu ees lu de but mu ngi nekkaate lu ees one of those góoms yoo xam ne waaye one of the bigger vision of those góoms moo nekk poverty, you understand? Okay, me as a youth boo xam ne like day in day out I have to find ways to survive day in day out loolu dafa uti naa koo xam ne ok lu mu war a dundee next week mu ngi ko teg maa comme poverty fu mu comee in because today you are surviving day in day out with whatsoever you earn day in day out then dafa mel ni yow hantu maat la dee nekk ok different from koo xam ne nii or ñoo xam ne nii or family boo xam ne du ma ne benn du ma ko jëlee individual ok from individual to family level to to the highest height of hierarchy. Okay, like poverty is one of the things you have. I face it. One of the most difficult things that I face, and even though I face those things, but every day when I battle all over the day, what I find that okay, they be them the way, but at least I get survive and xam nga fu ma xëy ni and tomorrow I hope to see tomorrow and xam nga loolu daf nekk loo xam ne daf ma dee motivate so even though I have this pain in me but at the end of every day I'm a healing moo nekk okay I'm thinking about it okay tomorrow might be a better day so poverty is one of my challenges and it is my dominant challenge you understand but one of the ways you have I'm finding it like on Manko Tapul is whenever a whole day is about to come and pass I have to reflect on myself and say okay tomorrow might be a better day or tomorrow might be my chance so to whatsoever condition that each and everybody is facing right now as long as tomorrow is not promising but it is hoping for you to witness because nobody knows what tomorrow holds you don't know whether you witness it but it's not promising that you will witness but you are hoping to witness it as long as that feeling is inside you I want to say to each and everybody it's not a giving up time because at the finish line of every race is the beginning of another race because they tracks yang ini okay for then they start 100 meter bi so then ko dawe 100 200 300 400 xam nga jeex fo len jeexale lan mo fa nekk waat a beginning of a new track of race so at the end of the day to everyone not only to me because this has been my source of motivation I want to say to everyone whenever you are about to give up just know that you are closer to where you're heading to than where you're going where you from you understand because there's I'm a distance of 100 to cover and you know I cover 50 and I think about giving up then alhamdulillah the moment take on that step to move to my direction or my destination then I'm moving closer to it so it's nothing about giving up it's always about believing and it's always about developing this courage that you're gonna make it and inshallah whenever you put in the effort or the everything about you into whatsoever you're doing surely su dee sa wërsëg fa
dañ ko jot bam jeex good yéen a ko déggandoor mu ngi leen a léegi nag ñu àgg to the final touching of the programme di leen reminder still seen top 5 questions yi la fii MP multimedia ngeen ko xamee nag the hottest media the US xam nga ba pare di du daal fu nekk nag xaar leen ñu seen kër yi nañ ñëw foofu noonu waxtaan yéen artiste nañ leen beeta nañ dafay lu bëri ba tax na ñu suñ last question will be related to your event believe nañ ne yaa ngi ñu am si event and then fu mu nekk nii yaa ngi schedule sa event tamit to an year or a month whereby there are series of activities and events as well so we will want to know about your program tell us about the program
the program basically it's all about Gambia it's not about me suma program it's a concert boo xam ne I dedicated to the Gambia itself you understand because so all the songs and the concept of the program like what's on Gambia nekkut of what's on Gambia as a page but what's on Gambia comme lu xew Gambia même bekeering Gambia you understand comme lu nekk di dox biir Gambia okay the project is everything talking about everything that the Gambia is encountering or the Gambia is witnessing you understand we have series of activities
indeed
some are positive and a whole lot is negative you understand some of the vital things that are affecting us right now are things like tribalism things like nepotism you understand these are things you have the moment we reflect on those things and we think that okay yi ñoo yóbbu dëkk bi kanam these are things that are drowning the country down you understand so xoolee nepotism okay ñun suñ ne okay man yaa ngi fii nii diw sangam mu fële suma oncle nangam mu fële ok saa yu ma buggee access to that place or saa yu ma buggee liggéey to that place or saa yu ma soxlee dara to that place dama jaar through channel yii nii ok channel yooyu noonu ñoo la dee lead to direction boobu noonu what if comme you put those nepotic mindset apart okay whatsoever is about to happen we have a right way of having it diw sang ok comme tey nga war a yóbbu proposal to certain country company nangam ok tey pour ma la dégga so bu you proposal to company nangam xam nga loolu la dee njëkka la ci mbaa xam nga fa nit Gambian mindset mbaa xam nga fa nit non xaaral bu ko yóbbu de naa wax ak diw sangam suma kotoon nangam so at the end of the day people that really need those chances are not vulnerable to those chances okay nit yoo xam ne they don't need or even if they need it they don't do the work in order to achieve those things those people are the ones that end up having it. You understand? All that is due to the nepotic mindset that we have.
Okay.
Because for them, you have to have a connection in order to go there. There is nothing that has a channel. Come, okay, li ni nga wara def so defé ni la so defé ni la. But ni la de wax moy okay jaaral ne de kele.
ba nga jot
foo war a dem. ok nga ñëwaat si yeneen comme tribalic mind buñ nekk di am. ok the problem yoo xam ne ñu ngi ko face as a Gambian is one of the things yoo xam ne ok we all put our tribal difference in front rather than putting national interest above. You understand? Because tey Gambian bi foo munti tasee ak moom bi moom la ci nga ko diw sangam yow lan nga fàtte na ne Gambian la. mun laa xelal ok soose la olof la joola la nangam sax you understand? Dëgg la nit koo nekk foo jógee you have to feel proud of becoming that person. You understand? But then whatsoever matters at the end of the day, so we are to the level of national interest. We have to put the Gambia first rather than putting the tribal differences.
All the time.
So some of the problems that we're facing. But in order for us to tackle this problem, we cannot focus on the mature or the adult generation. You understand? We need to start it up with Hale. The youth, you understand, the younger generation, because okay, everything that you inject into their minds right now, they reflect on the future. You understand? They grow with it. But okay, so we will be spitting all that loud, feeling okay. Uncle Nangam using media with saga and the need Nangam Sangam. Okay, head Nangam using media. So whole big up living be Munyam Magila de nega.
Yeah.
Uncle, but do not bro Nangam. Do they neka bro Nangam? So neka bro Nangam bena. No nangam moom du ko dee nega very rare pour nga dégga boy nangam moo def lii bro nangam la uncle nangam anti nangam. So at the end of the day loolu rek dafa demoon la you cannot use your change on the adult generation. The only way to use change is starting it from grassroots. You understand? So we need to combine as society, we need to combine as a nation, we need to combine not only as Africans but as a clan boo xam ne we need a positive change. You understand? We need to reflect on society. Jël xale yi boole leen wan leen ne these are things yoo xam ne they are not necessary when it comes to national development, and they are not even necessary when it comes to tribal development. You understand? Because tribally we are ñun ñi am intermarriages yaa ngi xam ne yaa ngi nekk pël but sa doom nangam mu ngi juddoo si famille jola kile mu so at the end of the day suñ demee ba problème nekk di am elaatal Gambia dem ba ñaanuñ ko yàlla bañ tollu si that level boo xam ne ñun time bi ku nekk ñu ngi jublu si level boobu noonu naka la moo mel because soo buggee wane da ngaa saaga xeet nangam boobu noonu yow sa jarbaat nangam mu fa wala sa anti nangam mu fa noonu so at the end of the day suñu nekkee di saagante to that level dafa mel ni yaa ngi saaga sa anti wala sa uncle wala sa maam wala sa jarbaat. So at the end of the day loolu la moo nekk then it's a unity of it's the responsibility of every Gambian right now at this alarming stage at this crucial moment boo xam ne ñu fa in order pour ñun Gambians si ñu move forward it's our responsibility for us to reflect on society and some of the negative impact yoo xam ne society is holding it within us. So I want to say like every Gambian is your duty not only because and the bigger duty is for the population but the people yoo xam ne people are seeing us all the time artists nga presenter nga journalists whatsoever these are the people yoo xam ne nit yi baati askan bi ngeen in another way because yéen a nekkat foofu nit yi yéen lañ di xam yéen lañ di gis yéen xale bu nekk xam na ST xam na jisul xam na nangam diw sangam xam nga présenter nanga ko kii so ñun mun nañoo use suñ doole in order to maintain unity and peace within the Gambia. It's not only about even within the Gambia but the moment am na dëkk yoo xam ne ñu ngi gis ne Gambia ñu ngi def lii dëkk yooyu noonu tamit mun nañoo adopt those nice culture na Gambia ñu ngi def understand so at the end of the day it will not only be a positive change for Gambia but a positive change for the world. You understand? And I want to say a big shout out because conversation we have a good up to MP Multimedia. I think it's high time each and every Gambian you try dooleel Gambian platforms yi you try dooleel Gambian presenters yi ak journalists yi it's very necessary and crucial for whatsoever we do it at national level. We put Gambia first. So each and every individual, if you have not subscribed or followed MP Media in any channel or in any way, it's high time you go and follow because everything they have to do is with regards to Gambia. And as a Gambian, Gambia needs to be your priority.
Yes, ba tax na nag xam naa wax bi bëri na comme ni ñu ko waxee dañoo profité def tuuti en part we want you to tell us the date of your event and where will it be su fekkee ticket yi génn na balaa just an intro about it.
Yeah, Toshibla, What's on Gambia, the EP. November 15, SK is Mini Stadium. Advance tickets are $250. gate will be 300 and the VIP will be 400. It's everything that we want to make it fair for every Gambian to be able to come and embrace our event with us. It's all about Gambia, it's all about unity, it's all about the oneness that we call for. Today, Degala, every Gambian, I want to see you present. If you are really proud to be a Gambian, even a non-Gambian, with the mentality and the mindset we are about to put into the people, I think it's a general responsibility for every human in human nature to be able to come and embrace the event with us.
Well, you know, November 15. Let us go and support. This is our own thing. Let's always forget about the artist. Let's focus on the program, because the impact that the artist will be doing after the program. So it's what is important and is what matters. After all, feel I want send top 5 questions. I want face MP multimedia. Jolen dik daje be benen bes. Be bala ñu tagato sa doma may tuti rek acapella tuti rek sa new song bi gis na what's on Gambia new song bi acapella ma ci tuti ñu close ko.
Jutunne yakelo nimbatale benna nkoye bile fo membena bukalong moja male fote nila family la preso nimbil sol manjono omi seno kanan George Brownie manna story long modu la silo be jamfato nani badu wale benteto yes I know ni na pil wete duwala nga fil ngasuta kono kensen la jamale ke fonsina su kono sidwezo no leche iye yai mang la inyan sadom jijem na mak te ki warna mai. Sorry man.
Thank you. This is so cool, man. Thank you.